This is Indian Railways Chalukya Express 2026. This train carries the longest passenger car in the world. This train was inaugurated on the date the 9th of November 2012. The duration of this train journey is from 1 day to 24 hours. Types halt of Indian Railway stops in Chalukya Express. Dadar Central Departure. Kalyan. Karjayat. Pun. Sahara. Kara D. Sangli. Niraj. Kudakai. Kade Prava. Belagavi. Tane Pur. Landa. Alnavar. Darwid. Sesas Hub Bali. Sem Mhavri. Rani Ben Nur. Harihar. Thavanger. Chikyajur. Biru R. Kayador. Arzakre. Tipter. Chimakuru. Chitkabiena Vara. Yesvan per finish. This train has a different trip number. 11052 Ukaya Express. 1106 Chalukya Express. This train was attacked by very severe Ramadan demonstrations on February 22, 2026. Like and subscribe if you like a Chalukya Express.